Alright, it took me a little while, but I'm finally getting around to putting a switch on this vintage Hoover 8-inch fan model 6700. And just for the event, I even bought a new line cord switch in white. You know, because every one I get is either ivory or black, so I decided white, why the heck not. So, we're ready? Let's go! Okay, first off, you want to try and find a decent place to put the switch. I used to put them like up here, but then it's like I decided, nah, we'll put it right about here. You can see that. Yeah, right there. So, what we're going to do, we're going to take a little slit. Sometimes it won't work with one trick. I mean, I can't find my other utility knife, so that's why I'm using this ratty ass old one. Oh, that sucked. Okay, sorry about that. It took a little longer than expected, but yeah. Make a little break in the cord. You can see that. Yep. Next, we're going to get the plug in. Not plug, switch. I got my switch right here. Here's pretty much how the instructions look. I pretty much know what I'm doing because I've replaced a lot of these switches over time, so. Next we're going to undo this. Try and be hard not to lose this bolt right here, because you lose it, you're fucked. And if you notice right here, you got the place to put the slit cord, so we're going to do that right now. Okay, I got this thing on. We're going to tighten this screw up. Close that blade. This way. There, see? And I got a nice cord switch. So, something's going to happen. It's either going to work or something's going to blow up. So, yeah. Turn the power supply on. So if we're ready, here we go! Success! Hooray! Awesome. Cool. So yeah, I guess I can pretty much say that the putting a line cord switch on this old vintage Hoover 6700 was a success. I mean, yeah, some people don't like to put line cord switches because it'll, or I think they'll fear that they'll ruin their vintageness. But me, I turn on account of safety. Because if you plug this in to where you can't have access to the outlet, it's going to be a problem. So, oh yeah. Feels good. So I guess once again that's going to do it for this round. I mean, I'm Esky, thanks for watching, and the comment box is open.